In this video, you'll learn how to add a button in a Mailchimp template. By following these steps, you'll be able to enhance your email design with functional buttons that can direct your audience to specific actions. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard. If prompted, sign in with your credentials to access your account. Next, locate the option labeled Create Email on the dashboard. This button is typically found prominently displayed. Clicking on it will take you to the email creation interface where you can start designing your email. After that, if you have an existing campaign, you will need to select it. You may see a prompt to close the current window. Click on the Close button to exit any existing design mode, allowing you to return to the email creation section. Once this appears, look for the Design Email option. Clicking on this will bring you to the email design tools where you can customize the layout and elements of your email. Following this, find the section labeled Basic Layouts within the design interface. This area contains various layout options for your email. Click on it to view the available templates that you can utilize for your design. At this stage, choose a template that suits your needs. Click on the desired template and it will load into the design area. Make sure to preview how it looks before moving forward. After selecting the template, look for the Apply button. Clicking this will confirm your template choice and apply it to your email design. A loading indicator may appear confirming the application process. Now, locate the button option within the design tools. Clicking this will provide you with the button element that you can add to your email layout. Next, drag the button beside the existing button in your design layout. Ensure it is positioned correctly to maintain visual consistency. Once you release the button, it will be placed in the desired location. Once you position the button, consider customizing its appearance and link settings to ensure it directs your audience to the intended destination. This is crucial for effective engagement. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.